Here's a second example, and this really steps through the binary search in greater detail. So what we've got here is we've got a list L. It's got 16 elements in the list, of course starting at index 0, and then the final element in the list will have an index of the length of the list minus 1, so that's 16 minus 1 is 15. And the binary search, of course, the data set must be in order from the lowest to the highest, and we've done that, or the other way around if you want, but it must be ordered. Our search argument here is 28. So our required output in this is if the argument is found in the list L, we're going to return its index location, so where we find it. So we're looking for 28. You can see here that 28 is in index position 13, so we'll be returning 13 and saying, we found it in that position. If the argument is not found in the list L, well, the common convention in programming is to return -1, and then with your if statement you might say something like, oh, if the result of whatever is -1, then you haven't found it. Or you maybe could return the length of the list, that's sometimes used, or false, something like that. But as I say, I'm going to be returning -1 there, which is the common convention in a while. So, quick overview of the steps, and then we'll go through it properly. Set low, set high, set mid, and then you're going to be doing your checks. And as I say, we'll go through that, but as long as it doesn't cross over, we'll finish it. So see you in the next video to go through this stuff.